Thank you for taking some kind of observation for the Department of Accounting and Information Systems. Firstly, I would like to say the university has the age of almost century. I mean, it is nearly 95 years, and this department also covering the 50 years. The department starts its journey in 1970. Since then, the graduates of this department are working in different fields, particularly in corporate sectors at home and abroad. They are uh, placing in themselves in different senior level positions like the CEO and MD. Also, we have been providing intensive care for the students, for the future generation to make them accounting professionals. As you know, the university has almost 91 departments, and our Faculty of Business Studies, have the 9 departments, but this accounting and information systems is the premier department at the time of admission. Among the 40,000 to 50,000 students, most of the students are giving their choice to the accounting department, and then next they are following to the finance department or so on, because the any of the enterprise that you know, if it has been liquidated, after that there could be minimum one person who is accountant. That means the accountant has the tremendous opportunity and job to serve the society. We in the department have the almost 8 programs. First entry program is BBA, then we have the regular MBA, we have the EMBA program, we also have the MPA program. We this year we started another new program which is Master of Accountancy in Taxation, for providing the graduates intensive knowledge as they can serve the society with good confidence and make the society helping in the corruption-free society and looking for the good governance, which really would take the country as it is following for middle income country that you know in this 21st century there are lots of challenges. So our students, those who have been at the entry level like the BBA, they have got 40 courses. Among the 40 courses, we are giving them teaching for almost 20 to 25 courses rigorously for accounting. There are the other allied courses like the economics, statistics, quantitative techniques, taxes, and the strategic management. Some other courses making themselves to take the better decision making situation. So the students, those who are coming for the first year admission, they have the wider choices. But among the wider choices, they are taking the advice from their predecessor, like their uh, sometimes from their grandfathers, from their fathers, from their elders, which department is taking very much intensive care to the students, and which department, if they graduated, the job opportunity, particularly in the corporate sectors like the bank, like the VCS, like the tax areas, and also in the insurance companies and leasing companies, the accounting department is playing a vital role for creating the better human resources, those who are already sharp and looking forward for the future leader in the society. Since our country having the uh, more people within a small area of locality. I mean, we have the 55,000 square kilometers. Over here, we have 120 million people, 120 million, isn't it? No, 160 million people. People are saying a little bit more than that, which is called 18 to 20 crore, like that. Over here, we have the mostly young generation. The young generations are looking for their career development, the career from the Department of Accounting under the Faculty of Business over here intensively in accounting, finance, banking, and other areas there are. And as well as the students are having the better treatment with the modern equipment, like we have the modern classrooms, we have the audio visual, we have the multimedia, we have the some other e-libraries for providing the journals and the information from different areas. We also have one virtual classroom in our faculty, which has been connecting with our capital market to make our students exposure regarding the capital market scenario. The students currently are taking much more facilities, like they have the departmental library. They also have the multimedia facilities. Most of the students having their courses in computer and computer technology using the laptop and the desktop, and also they are being prepared themselves with the hands-on training, like the assignment and the presentation. Our students are very much equipped while they have been standing anywhere for any kind of issue. They spontaneously could address any situation with their momentum of the knowledge. We over here have been taken two midterms and also two class tests and the final exam for the somewhere 40 marks or somewhere 50 marks with a range of 2 hours to 3 hours examination. The accounting professionals has the wider scope. As I have said, they have been allied with the professional bodies like the ICMAB and ICAB. We also have some kind of collaboration with ACCA and CIMA, and also we are looking for some other international collaboration with Japanese university and US universities, where the students would have the 2+2 programs, or they could have the some of the courses over here and taken to the abroad. They would have to have some kind of facility for a double degree program, one from the Dhaka University, another from the other university where they have been going. And in the internal situation, we have the one of the club for corporate activities, co-curricular activities, like the UDAP, University of Dhaka Accounting Forum. They have uh, they have they have one kind of consecutive program for the students, particularly the new freshers, and also every 3 months they have the debate in the recent issues. They also organize the seminar and symposium relevant to the accounting and economic areas of the country, and the some of the burning issues, like in the accounting we are talking about the budget and the tax changes, and also the some of the council like the FRC, the Financial Reporting Council, which is very vital for our good governance and the making the productivity and the changing scenario for the economy, particularly the corporate sectors of the garments and pharmaceutical and the textile industries. So I think our students, as they have been getting multidimensional knowledge, they would become the would be competent to serve the society. Every 3 to 5 years, we are changing and improving our syllabus and incorporating new areas which has been working around the world. Particularly, we are at par with the North American university. Our syllabuses, which has been praiseworthy for long. Uh, from our department, I would say almost 60% graduates are being placed in the oil position in the society, and some of the corporate sectors, I think almost 20% MD or CEOs are being alumni of this department, and we also have a big alumni association where nearly 1,800 graduates, those who have been since 1970 and the last year, up to the last year, they have raised a fund for the uh, necessity of the humanity, like the need basis scholarship they have been giving, merit basis scholarship they have been providing, and also the relief they are providing. If some of the students, particularly the faculty members of this department, has been seriously sick, they are giving the financial help. 3 to 4 years before, one of our colleagues was seriously sick. The Alumni Association raised a significant amount of fund, which is nearly 40 lakh, and subsequently we have been providing treatment and the others. And this department is also going to make some kind of study tour and also the industry visits with our senior students like the MBA students and the MPA students and the EMBA students. The teachers are being with them. They have been getting the indoor, particularly the company visits, and there are some benefits and knowledge they have been gaining through this kind of practical knowledge and theoretical background. Our students are really, I think, have developed their confidence for serving the society at any moment, wherever they been placed, and to ask for do something for themselves and for the nation. Thank you for providing me the opportunity to say something regarding my department and regarding my colleagues, regarding the future of the students of this department, those who will come and look forward for developing their career in the area of business, particularly the accounting profession. They will do better, they will be placed in the society in a better way. With the one thing I would like to finish, one of the prime minister of the subcontinent, the Mr. Narendra Modi, was saying the signature of a professional like chartered accountant is much more powerful than a prime minister. So our students, those who are pursuing their graduation in this department, they would have the better and easier way to make themselves as a professional like the chartered accountancy or SEMA or ICM. Thank you. Thank you all.